Hello friends, how many times in our lives have we faced a cash crunch? Mostly month ends, or when we make big payments, or when our notorious customers are not paying us, we feel the pinch. The pressure is so much that we can't even tell someone and it becomes unbearable. How many of you have gone through this? Don't worry. In this video, I am going to give you 3 short ways of getting cash when you need it the most. My name is CA Vishal Thakkar and let's go and understand which are the 3 short ways. Here we go. Way number 1. Create a hidden reserve. Yes, the best way to find money when you need it the most is to keep some aside when you have money. So right now, if you are in a comfortable position, start creating a reserve in a separate account. Trust me, when you create a reserve, your confidence of doing business changes. You are able to say no to loss-making customers. You know that if something goes wrong, there is some kind of backup available. Idea number 2. Go for a short-term hand loan. Many platforms today are available online which give you bridge loan for tiding over tighter month ends or cash flow gaps between your payables and your receivables. They could give you payroll finance, they could give you factoring against your customers' invoices for a very minimal fee. You need to explore those platforms online to ensure that you don't run out of cash when in need. Idea number 3. Keep money with loyal customers. Of course, over many years of doing business, you have a set of loyal patron customers who will be there with you in your times of need. So maybe extend them some credit period or keep some stock with them and stop collecting. It goes against the contrary belief that you have to collect money from customers as fast as possible. But sometimes a loyal customer who is completely committed to you may act as a lender of a last resort. And hey, even if he doesn't owe you money, if you take money from him advance, he will not mind because he's a loyal customer and you can always provide him service in the next period or send product in the next lot. So here are the 3 short ways of getting cash when you need the most. Now, in my program Cash Simplified, I am going to teach you how to not land up in a situation where you need cash desperately. So do you want to avoid cash desperation forever? Enroll for our program Cash Simplified.